It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and all is right with the world. Then you hear, "You've got mail." It's an email from Lenders or Us, a lender you've heard of but have never done any business with. Their opening line is, "We have a question about an appraisal you did on 312 Elm Street." You rack your brain trying to remember. Then suddenly you realize, I did that work for XYZ Bank, and it was an FHA assignment. How on earth did it get to Lenders or Us? Very easy. Your client or the borrower sent it over to them because your client is no longer entertaining funding the mortgage, or the borrower is changing lenders. Now you are in the horns of a dilemma. Do I answer their questions? Do I clam up and cite the confidentiality section of the ethics rule of USPAP? What do I do? The answers to those questions are fairly simple. In order, they are no, yes, and contact your original client to obtain permission to discuss the assignment with the non-client, non-intended user lender. See how simple that was? Of course, you may be thinking that an appraiser is required by FHA and HUD to communicate with any lender who puts their hands on one of our appraisal reports. But that's just not true. In actuality, FHA and HUD would like appraisers to cooperate. However, they do not expect nor have they ever required the appraiser to violate USPAP. Bottom line is this. The appraisal portability does not extend to the appraiser. It is a function of the lending process. Do not communicate the results of an appraisal process with anyone other than the client unless you have permission from that client to do so. Does that permission have to be in writing? No, but it is a really, really good idea to get it in writing and put it in the work file.